comment in Facebook, I said condolence about Bonnie Tyler. Bonnie Tyler is the one who written the song The Hero, Total Eclipse of My Heart. That was, I heard it in the Battlefield 4. I remember that songs in 80s. Do you even know that Bonnie Tyler written the song A Hero in the movie in Shrek? I remember that. So I'm here to send condolence. I'm here to to send condolence about Bonnie Tyler. So condolence to Bonnie Tyler. Because I know my friend John Timothy Trevino, Escal Penumbra had chatted me in threads or Instagram. They said to me, "Oh, Bonnie Tyler is already dead. She died in 75 years old." Do you even know that Teacher Carl's parents remember Total Eclipse of My Heart? And also, what's that song? The Hero. I remember that. Bonnie Tyler. And during the time I was in my old school in CDIFI in Teacher Gemma, I wear a plush. You mean The Hero? The Hero was composed by Bonnie Tyler. It was sung by Bonnie Tyler, which was used by soundtrack of the movie Shrek. Shrek 2. And I realized that Bonnie Tyler is it's also born 1951. She's older than Apollo Kibuloy. She's older than Rodante Marcoleta. And Bonnie Tyler is older than Mike Enriquez. So as you can see, Bonnie Tyler is the most popular uh, um, singer, and mostly she written all the songs in 80s. That was the 80s of my parents. Remember that Bonnie Tyler. Even in the radio in 96.3, I was told by one of my friends there in Facebook. They said that it was sung by Bonnie Tyler. Even I remember that I was in the I was in the place in Yakimix. I heard the song Bonnie Tyler, 1980s. Bonnie Tyler is a popular in 80s. Since I remember when Kuya Rodelio Daguman was still a kid, he still remember Bonnie Tyler. And we were not yet born in 80s. We are born in 90s. But I was told by J. Rick Silva that Bonnie Tyler, it was a popular, the most popular singer in 80s compared to Michael Jackson. But I remember Bonnie Tyler. I remember the songs in 80s because I remember Bonnie Tyler. I just checked during the news. She's already dead. Her family had said that in the Portugal, she died also in illness and colon cancer. That's just like what happened to Nanay Baby and Uncle Eugene. This will not happen to Teacher May Tiburcio. I told to my Malay